Hi there. So I have yet another LYMIA brand unboxing for today. And today I am unboxing the Nylon Sophie and Steal the Show. I love the gorgeous, generous dust bag. And I just love the tissue paper, which I've saved already. So I just ripped through it. Oh my gosh. Look at that teal color. I initially had pre-ordered Steal the Show when they did their first one. Then they announced that they were going to do a black. And I said, you know what? No, I'm doing black. It'll be so professional. I can use it for work. And I have. And still, Steal the Show has just been calling to me. Just going, get me. Have me. And I love it. Now, it is different from the other nylon as that the fake leather is not pebbled. It's flat leather. That's just because it matches the bag better than a pebbled leather would, a fake leather would have. And look at that liner. It is so cute. It is like a greeny beige color, and it just looks so good with the teal. So good. So good. So I'm gonna have to take some of the wrapping off in a few and go through, make sure I have it all. It looks like this is the shoulder strap. That's one piece of bag. Here's another piece of padding. The key fob is there, and the change pad with that satisfying. Oh my gosh, I did not realize LYMIA is embossed on this. I have my Take It Black one here somewhere. Oh my gosh, I didn't notice that. See, it's all about the details with LYMIA for me. Like, just all about the details. So I'm really excited to use this. I'm not a mom yet, but I'm using this. I have a student teacher, so I really need a bag with stuff that she can use during the day, go into without me like, why are you in my bag? And then a bag for my things that I carry back and forth to school. So I'm going to carry this and the Take It Black tomorrow, and it's going to be wonderful. I'm very excited. I'm going to try to do a more detailed comparison of my collection in another video, but I hope you like this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.